Well, I got a request from my son. His poor little pup is having problems with his legs getting up into the doggy door. So I'm going to build him a little ramp here till it gets better. And I mean little ramp. I'm going to use some scrap plywood that I had. I'm going to use my pocket hole jig from Harbor Freight. My other one was backed away. And as you might know, if you watch some of the other videos, I'm moving from one house to another, and I've got I get all my tools practically packed away until I move in April. So let's get going on this. So he wants the ramp to be about 11 inches wide. And we're right 10.5. I've got these two pieces of scrap 3/4 ply. So I'm going to use pocket holes, and we'll put them together with pocket holes and screws. I've got this Harbor Freight pocket hole jig. Like I mentioned once before, all my tools are packed away. I'm in the process of moving from one house to another, and while I'm waiting for that other house to be built, I gotta make do here with a few tools, which isn't a problem. We just clamp that down. I've got my drill bit set for the 3/4 inch ply. The closest, and we'll just select these two holes are for the 3/4 inch stock. Little rough, little sandpiper, take care of that. And I'm going to put 2, 3, 4 in. So let's just go down the line here. And I'm using just a spacer block here. Just to hold it tight. Not bad, not bad at all. Works. Good. Good price, good deal. And what I did was I I'm using the not so good side for the pocket holes. I'm going to use the Kreg 1¼ inch soft plywood coarse screws. And we'll clamp it down. And just to make sure it's as even as possible, put a couple cawls on it. And I've got my drill clutch set on 13. You don't want to over tighten them. We'll scrape the excess glue off here after it dries a little bit. That's about it. Little project using some pocket holes and pocket hole screws. Again, that was the Drill Master portable pocket hole jig kit from Harbor Freight. And the 1¼ inch coarse screws from Kreg. And I'm going to put a 25-degree bevel on the riser. Well, I'll put the same 25-degree bevel on the bottom of the ramp where it meets the ground. We'll pre-drill for some screws. Screw it down, glue it, and screw it. I don't have any of my angle finding tools, so I'll just use a piece of cardboard under there. That'll be my finding my angle for the brace under there. Well, there you have it. Simple ramp for the dog. Good old dog. Good old Bob. I put a couple braces too on this. So we'll put some extra pieces of carpet on this. It'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. See you in my next project.